Made in the USA. All listed, weatherproof. Diecast aluminum alloy, durable powdercoat finish, corrosion resistant. Easy to install. Greenfields has been established since 1981 and has grown to become one of the leading manufacturers and retailers of niche Middle Eastern products and spices. Greenfield RB25BRS 4-in. Round weatherproof electrical outlet box with 5½ in. Holes, bronze, made in the USA by Greenfield Industries, Inc., Freeport, NY. Top reviews from the United States. I think these are zinc. I bought it because I was reading about the mounting tabs on the plastic boxes breaking off. After receiving it, I was not confident these tabs were going to hold up either, so I mounted it by running screws through the body instead of the tabs. All is good though, happy with the purchase.